You can now choose which fields you would like to export in your CSV file and the order those fields appear in your file. If you have admin status in ProsperFleet, you'll see this gear icon in the side menu. Click that gear icon and then click the blue icon for download settings. By default, you should see all fields here in fields to download, and that means all fields will be exported for all users in your account. We do have these separated into two sections: company and location search and federal search, and those correspond with the different searches you can do on the search records page. We separate these because companies and locations have different fields than the federal search. So if there's some fields you do not want to export in your CSV file, say for example, maybe SIC4 is enough, so we want to remove this SIC and SIC2. Just select those, click remove. Be sure to click save all to save all your work, and we have separate buttons for federal, so you can make some selections here. Say maybe drivers is not as relevant for you, you can remove those. If you want to move fields back in, just click add. Now, once you do some work, your fields might get a little mixed up, and if you want to restore them back to the default order, just click Restore Default. We will ask if you want to proceed with that because it will undo all of your work. So if you have anything in available fields, you remove them from fields to download. All of those will also move back into fields to download. And that's a quick and easy way that you can start over with your choices and clean up your files.